Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. My name is Ibrahim Abbas, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I am excited to share a fascinating project with you, an automatic washing machine that I've built using an LCD, resistors, buttons, switches, an oscillator, a potentiometer, and the main PIC18F452 microcontroller. In this video, we'll delve into the intricacies of the circuit, explore the functionalities of each component, and witness the washing machine in action with its different modes. So, without any further ado, let's jump right into the world of electronics and automation. If you find this content interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Now that we have set the stage, let's take a closer look at how this automatic washing machine works. As we power it on, the LCD greets us with the prompt "Press button to start." This initial interaction ensures that the user is ready to kickstart the washing process. Speaking of the circuit, in addition to our core components, we have incorporated three 1 kilo ohm resistors for efficient control, a 4 MHz oscillator to synchronize operations, and a potentiometer to fine-tune the LCD's display. These elements work in harmony to enhance the precision and functionality of our washing machine. Pressing switch 1 triggers the water started sequence. This mode ensures that the water related components are checked and initialized. It's like the machine is taking a moment to ensure everything is set for the washing cycle. But here is where it gets interesting. When we press switch 2, the LCD proudly declares powder on after a 4-second pause indicating the time it takes for the powder to be activated. The display transitions to spinning on followed by dryer on. Switching gears to switch 3, we have designed it for an emergency. This mode is programmed to swiftly respond to unforeseen situations, ensuring the safety and protection of both the user and the machine. This seamless integration of switches, the PIC18F452 microcontroller, and the LCD, along with the supporting components, creates an interactive and responsive washing machine. It's not just about the cleaning clothes, it's about making the entire process dynamic and user friendly. And there you have it, our automatic washing machine in action. From the initial press button to start to the intricate processes of water started, powder on, and the dynamic spinning on and dryer on. Every step is a testament to the capabilities of electronics in everyday life. If you enjoyed this journey through automation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.